Notion for Solopreneurs review? Still good? If you want to try Notion yourself, links are in the description. In this video, I'll give you a straightforward expert review of Notion specifically for solopreneurs. No fluff, just what matters for running your business. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, tasks, databases, calendars, and wikis into one customizable platform. At its core, Notion shines because it replaces a bunch of tools you might otherwise need. To-do apps, project management systems, note apps, and even simple CRMs, and puts everything in one place with deep flexibility. For solopreneurs, that's a powerful proposition because your time is limited and you need tools that adapt to your workflow, not the other way around. Let's talk features. The building blocks in Notion, pages and databases, let you create virtually anything. Goal trackers, content calendars, client pipelines, project boards, knowledge bases, financial trackers, habit logs, and more. Databases can be linked and filtered in different views like Kanban, table, list, and calendar, which means you can view the same data multiple ways depending on how you're working. The real power is in templates. Notion offers a huge community library of ready-made templates tailored to solopreneurs, from content planning systems to CRM boards, and you can customize everything to fit your business. Collaboration is simple too, so if you ever bring on a VA or contractor, you can easily share specific pages with them. That said, Notion isn't perfect. Because it's so flexible, there's a learning curve. You do need to spend a little time setting up structures that work for you. It's not as plug-and-play as simpler to-do apps, and if you need offline access or super fast load times, you might notice Notion can lag a bit. But for most solopreneurs, those trade-offs are worth it for the organizational payoff. Pricing is also competitive, with a free plan that's generous enough for many solo businesses, and paid plans that unlock more storage and team features. So, is Notion still good for solopreneurs? Absolutely. If you want a flexible, all-in-one system that grows with your business and replaces multiple tools, Notion remains one of the best choices in 2026. If you prefer something ultra-simple with zero setup, a dedicated task app might be easier. But if you want power and flexibility without breaking the bank, Notion delivers.